spoon. This is the chemistry-themed food competition, where two top chemists will use their knowledge of chemicals and balanced reactions to combine various ingredients into a perfect dish. Alright, it's a pleasure to finally be able to sit down and talk with you, Adamantine. So, I've been wondering, and I want to hear it straight from the source. What makes you so qualified? Why do you think you are going to win this competition here tonight?
Well, I did a lot of networking to get into a good college, and I shared a lot of experiences with some highly trained chemists and chefs, so I really feel like that will give me the competitive edge in this competition.
Fantastic. And what college did you say you went to?
Oh, CC Covalent College.
Oh, wonderful. That will certainly give you an advantage tonight, and I wish you the best of luck, and may the best chemist win. Well, it's a pleasure to sit down with you here, Ionic Bond. Can you talk about why you think you're going to win here tonight in the chemistry kitchen?
Well, I've always felt I had a deep connection with chemistry, because my name is Ionic Bond. And, well, I felt like I shared a special bond with it. And a few months later, I realized I was really inspired by the culinary arts, so that's my true passion.
Fascinating. So I understand you've been going to a culinary college and getting a lot of experience there, but do you have any background in working with chemistry?
I looked up some chemistry jokes once. I was trying to avoid my homework.
Well, I think we can all relate to that, and I think it just might come in handy here in the chemistry kitchen tonight. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll see who wins. Here is Simon Cowell, and this is the victor of the 1921 Nobel Prize. His name, Albert Canine. And sitting next to him is Cilantro Arrhenius, the extraordinary pH enthusiast. And last, but certainly not least, he loved gold foil and uses it every day in the kitchen, Ernest Pepperford.
Oh yeah, yes I do.
Wonderful introductions, but let's get to the main event, watching these two top chemists boil it out. They must use their own scientific analysis of the ingredients to create a solution of flavor for the judges to enjoy. Let's go to the contestants now. Here is contestant number 1. What is your name?
My name's Bond. Ionic Bond. All you need to know about me is I will take this victory, and it will not be shared.
I'm Adamantine. I'll bring structure to the show. My friends say I shine brighter than diamonds, standing and delivering in the kitchen.
The chemists must now create, drum roll please, something to do with a mole. 30 minutes on the clock. Chemists, you may now begin your experiment.
Okay, something to do with moles. I got it! Guacamole!
Wow, things are certainly heating up with Ionic Bond here in the chemistry kitchen.
Okay, so sodium plus carbon plus hydrogen plus oxygen plus sulfur. Nachos. It equals deliciousness.
Wow, these are Nacho Mama's nachos, am I right, folks?
So I need salt.
This is definitely a much different approach than we got from Ionic Bond here.
So I need 4 grams of that, and the smaller mass is 58.5. So that leaves me that many moles. The mole mass of this is 36.5. So I need 2.48 grams of hydrochloric acid, and then mole mass of this is 40, so I need 2.72 grams of sodium hydroxide.
A fantastic example of the mole hole, brought to you by Adamantine in the chemistry kitchen.
Avocados. How many avocados do I need? That was pretty complicated.
Avocado. Avogadro is constant. I need 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd avocados. Assistant!
Me?
Yes! Go give me 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd avocados!
Alright,
No, go!
Times in the hunt for the avocados, she has had to resort to asking for help from one of the employees. Wow. It appears that we have run into a limiting reagent.
How dare you take my flower! How dare you throw C4H8O4 at me!
Well, it appears that pressure is rising here in the chemistry kitchen, which means that so is the temperature. It is heating up in here. We're into the final seconds here in the chemistry kitchen. The clock is winding down, and it appears that ionic bond is just about done. But will adamantine finish in time?
4 grams of salt.
The precision is astounding. All right, let's take a look at our final products here from our chemist contestants. Here, what do we have here, ionic bond?
Well, this is guacamole.
I see what you did there.
Yeah, made with some flour chips. And yeah, there weren't actually a mole of avocados at the store, so I used like 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We often run into limiting reagents here in
Yes.
life.
It's
It's
very
unfortunate, but it's reality. And then what do we have here, adamantine?
I made mole stew.
Sounds delicious.
It is.
Fantastic. Looks like a lot of precision went into that, a lot of hard work and effort, but how do they taste? We'll have to go to our panel of judges for that.
These are pretty good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Can I have some H2O? Can I have some H2O? 2.
Oh, I'll go get that.
Apparently these assistants aren't very good at this.
Good job, Judge Baker. Way to go. Good judging up.
Alright.
You sure you want some H2O too?
Yep.
Alright, have fun with that.
Oh
Medic? Anyone? Please? Cut! We need a small break here. We'll call you later. Woo!
Unfortunately, due to some earlier circumstances involving the death of one of our judges, the rest of the judges have quit, so we're unable to consult them for the winner. So I will decide for them that I think we are going to give this to the chemist contestant that actually utilized chemistry in their dish instead of making a chemistry joke. So our winner here in the chemistry kitchen is adamantine! Our hearts go out to you, ionic bond. Our heart does not go out to us. Oh my! folks, we're back here a day later after the competition, and we're here to talk to the contestants, see how they're dealing with, obviously for adamantine happiness, but for Ionic Bond, I imagine it's going to be a bit of a different response, seeing as how, it wasn't a win yesterday. So, Ionic Bond, how are you coping right now?
How do you think I'm coping? Awful! I feel awful!
Oh, well, this competition obviously meant a lot to you. Do you want to talk more about that? Wow, this is awkward. Well, folks, I think we've got a pretty clear picture here of how much this competition meant to this particular contestant and how they feel about it. I think you could get name changes if you feel the need. Well, folks, I think that's it here. Let's move on to celebration here with Adamantine. Am I right? All right. Well, this is fantastic. You won. That's just such an honor. And I mean, what does it mean to you?
Oh, well, it means a lot. I'm really looking forward to getting to share my experiences with others and form a chemistry bond with them.
That's wonderful. I admire that.